You good? Okay, so yeah, it was terrific. We had the opportunity to take a league opponent who had defeated us twice and get some comeback on them, so that was great. And the girls finished off the season real strong. Came very close to winning a match in the state playoffs too, so very satisfying for all of our seniors.
Can you talk about that state tournament?
Yeah, I thought we had a really golden opportunity. Unfortunately, slipped away from us. We lost in a decisive 5th set to St. Monica Academy. And well, maybe something to build on for next year. But exciting to be in the state tournament for consecutive years.
Can you talk about the all-city candidates?
Yeah, so the all-city selections were made last week, and we ended up having a lot of representation on the all-city team. We have the City Player of the Year for Division III, that's Ashley Aglano, our setter. And we had first team selections, Ashley Wright, who's a libero, Abby Domino as a middle hitter, and a couple of second team selections for Katie Flores, an outside hitter, and Alexis Dingleson, one of our defensive specialists. So 5 players, that's a school record for us.
Can you talk about your future with them?
Oh, well, obviously with 9 graduating players, there are going to be some challenges replacing them next year. But we did get some experience for some younger players. We have some freshmen and sophomores that are playing a big role for us, and our JV won the league. So, yeah, I think at least league-wise, we should be in good shape. Unfortunately, well, however you want to look at it, we are moving up to Division I next year. And as a result, the competition level is going to increase significantly. So there will be a lot of challenges for the city playoffs next year. But for league, we should be in a very good position to reclaim our league title from Arleta.
Have you ever been in Division I, or when was the last time?
Yeah, the divisional play really only began about 7 or 8 years ago. Actually, I think 7 years ago. So it used to be all one division. So we played with all the same teams that are in Division I now. Now it's based on enrollment. Starting next year, it's going to be based on competitive equity, which means the teams that have done better move up and the teams that have done worse move down. So teams that were Division I last year, like Monroe and North Hollywood and Poly, are going to be going down to Division III and IV. Teams like Arleta and ourselves will be moving up from Division III to Division I.